Welcome students. Once again this is your Partho sir for you. Today I shall explain what is called thread priority in Java. Next, what is called default thread priority, and thereafter we shall learn how you can set priority of a thread manually. As you know, a thread priority determines how much CPU time a thread receives as a preference in compared to others. That's mean a higher priority thread will receive more CPU time in compared to a lower priority thread. Here in this example I have created two thread use or extending the thread class. Okay, hope you remember my previous class in which we have learned how you can create several threads and how you can run them all together. Okay, so here I have created two thread using or extending the thread class and started both the two. Okay, so at first just save it and try to run this code. Okay, so this okay, it's compiling perfectly. Next, just try to run it. Okay, so both my two threads are running here perfectly. Okay, now if I write down or if I want to know my thread priority, then I need to write down here say first thread priority. Okay, then if I write down t1 dot get priority, then I shall receive the priority of the first thread. Similarly, if I want to show the priority of my second thread, then I need to write down second thread priority, then just write down t2 dot get priority. Okay, save it, and you need to compile it again because you have changed in your source code. So compile this, compiling perfectly, and run it. Okay, now the priority of the first thread is 5. At the same time, the priority of the second thread is also 5. Now how it's showing this a 5? We know that whenever we have created a thread, JVM automatically provides some priority to the thread. A thread may have a priority between any numbers between 1 to 10. Okay, 1 means lowest priority, 10 means highest priority. And if it does not provide any kind of priority setting for the thread, it will automatically take the priority, average priority or a normal priority, that is equal to 5. So here we have not set any priority setting for any thread. So by default it's showing me 5. So this is called the default priority setting of any thread. Okay, now you can have a priority setting manually also. Say I have write down t1 dot set priority. Set priority say 10. Okay, that's mean I am setting the priority of the first thread equal to the maximum priority. Okay, so let's check whether it's a showing or not. Again you need to compile this because you have changed in your source code. Okay, compiling perfectly, then try to run this. Okay, now check here, the priority of the first thread becomes 10 with the highest priority. Why it's become 10? Because you have manually put the priority of your first thread. Okay, so by this priority setting you can have any priority of your thread. Say you write down t2 dot, okay, now save it, need to compile. Okay, compiling perfectly, and just run it. Okay, so first thread priority becomes highest priority 10, second thread priority becomes 3. Why it's become? You have manually put your priority or manually put your thread priority. Okay, so thank you students for watching. So today we have learned what is called thread priority, what is called Java's default thread priority, and next we understand how you can set priority manually. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching. Once again, thank you from your Partho sir.